Jonathan Tyler Smith is being pursued during a high-speed chase by Arkansas State Police and multiple agencies for fictitious tags and suspended license. Jonathan put countless innocent motorists at risk trying to evade capture. It was all fun and games until the trooper brought it to a dramatic end.
All units of the King making elevates forward.
The trooper here will eventually lead the high-speed chase, so he's having to pass the other troopers. This is so reckless.
Man, how's that going? Is it just one? Is it just one?
Keep your hands out where I can see them.
I'm gonna cut that airbag.
Both hands visible to you and me. Do you understand? Okay. Wiggle your left arm out of the seatbelt. Do not make any fast movements, though. Do you understand?
I got left lethal out.
Come on.
Put both.
Yeah. Okay. Fall out. We will help you once we get you out.
Pop that other side.
As long as you don't make any false movements, you're not going to get shot. We're not going to hurt you.
I got him. Let me see your left. Right hand behind your back.
I'm sorry.
Jonathan was charged with possession of drug paraphernalia, felony fleeing, open container, fictitious tags, suspended license, failure to register, and reckless driving. Where do you feel things went wrong during this chase? Let me know in the comment section.